Hey there, YouTubers. So I got a comment on my YouTube channel from Rome Corporation asking if I knew in PowerPoint how to make one slide portrait, or uh, Ader portrait, and they want to make one landscape. How do you do it? So um, Microsoft doesn't really they don't really allow to do a combination of the both. But I have a workaround in case you wanted to make just one slide, uh, landscape or portrait, either way. And like if you're printing it, if you're actually giving a presentation, it's not going to work. I'm not quite sure how they're using PowerPoint, so I'm just going to show you real quick. So I have kind of a generic, just presentation here, and say I wanted this slide to go portrait here. They're all just by default in landscape because that's the most common way to use it. So okay, if you go into View and then Slide Master, you'll see that there are here's your different layouts that you can use, and you can always make your own. But this bottom one here, and I'm using PowerPoint 2013, but it's the same. I know it's the same back to 2007. It may be similar for previous versions, but if you're using a version that's 2007 or newer, this should be pretty much the same. So if you just click on this bottom one here, it's called Vertical Tile and Text Layout. Well, it's not used by any slides right now, but you can see it's got this vertical layout. So I'm just going to click on the slide and then Control A to select all. And I'm just going to do Control C to copy, and then I'll close this, and then we'll right click on here and change the we'll change the layout to blank, and then we will paste. And so there's that layout for you in a different in the vertical versus the horizontal layout. So you can just type your text in here and have it horizontal, or something you can do is just type your text in here and text, and you see a little swirly guy here. You can just turn it and reposition it, resize it, all of that. You can just kind of do it manually and fit it on here. So when you print, it will be, if you hold down the Shift key, it rotates a little, it rotates a lot easier. So there we go. So this way it's horizontal versus, or it's vertical versus horizontal. So it's kind of a quick workaround. It may not work for what you're doing, but it's just an option. Also in my comments, as you'll see, I have a link to a workaround that Microsoft provides on creating two presentations and linking from one to the other. So that is also an option. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and check out my website at sallyu.com. I've got tons of great stuff there, a whole variety of stuff. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to post them on my channel. I will answer them as best as I can, or post a video for you if that helps. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a great day.